Welcome to the 7 Ways to Wealth membership.
In this membership, you're going to be learning how to create generational wealth and how to retire young.
We'll teach you everything we know about creating passive income.
This membership also comes with a community, so if you want to be networking with like-minded individuals that are entrepreneurs and investors, then this membership is for you.
So we have close to 60 videos, PDFs, workbooks, everything that you need in order for you to create generational wealth.
And we're going to be dropping new videos every single Wednesday at 12 o'clock. So the content is going to keep coming. And we have master classes that we're going to bring to you weekly from industry experts.
You are talking to 2 self-made millionaires, and we did it in less than 5 years. It's a process. There's a lot of work that you need to do in order for you to get there, but eventually you will get there.
If you want to be in this type of community where you're learning and growing, this is the membership for you.
We are all about sharing the wealth and sharing the knowledge. Sign up for 7 Ways to Wealth membership.
We'll see you in the community area.